Welcome back on this week's edition of Thursday Tip. I'm Justin with Thornton & Grooms. Last week, if you remember, we talked a lot about just the preventative steps that we could take in the maintenance on our humidifier. So simply this week, we're going to show you the process and what it takes to remove that pad and put a new one in. The first step you want to take is just to turn the thermostat off upstairs. Come downstairs to your humidifier system and turn the damper just to off. Once you've got the damper off, you're going to pull the water supply tube out and simply pull the bracket out of the assembly. Once the bracket's out of the assembly, there's going to be a top half of the humidifier that'll pull right off. Once that pulls off, the humidifier comes out and you just dispose of the old pad. Now, something I like to do is just to rinse this out, just in a utility sink or a laundry tub, get it nice and clean, get the new humidifier. And the new humidifier pad is going to have paint on the top. That's going to be right side up. So that's going to be the right side up there. So you're going to reinstall it into the humidifier pad housing, clamp the top back on there, and then reinstall it in the humidification system. Put the water supply tube back in, turn your damper back on, go upstairs, the thermostat back on, and you're all set. Thanks for joining us.